Welcome to the Tesco Specialty Vehicle 7K Cummins Onan Generator Module. In this video, we will start with a basic overview. We will then move into operations, maintenance, and troubleshooting. The purpose of the generator is to supply 120-volt electrical power. The generator is an essential tool when shore power isn't available. It gives you the ability to power the clinic on the move. The 120-volt system is needed for the outlets, the battery charger, the air conditioner, and the heaters. Let's start with some of the specifications of the generator. The Cummins generator can supply 7,000 watts of power. It produces 120 volts. The max amperage rating is 58.3 amps. This is the total it can handle at one time. It uses a little less than a half a gallon an hour of fuel with no electrical loads present. It uses 1.2 gallons an hour of fuel with max electrical loads present. The generator shares the same fuel source and fuel tank with the vehicle's engine. For this reason, the generator will not run with less than a quarter of a tank. This is so that the generator cannot use all the fuel for the vehicle. The controls for the generator are simple. There is one multi-position switch, pressing down for either the stop or prime functions, or pressing up for the start function. Next to that is an hour meter used to track maintenance intervals. To gain access to the generator, unlock the generator door. Then open the door and lock it into the up position. To remove the access cover on the generator, turn both handles counterclockwise. Remove the panel. Under the cover, you will see you have a similar switch as previously described. This switch works the same way as the one inside the vehicle. You can start and stop the generator from here as well. This is the oil cap. Under the oil cap is the dipstick. You can check and fill the oil from here. Check the owner's manual for the correct oil weight and capacity. Here is where you can reset the circuit breaker. Be careful of hot components if the generator was recently running. Make sure to always reinstall the cover before running the generator. To start the generator, first press and hold the prime switch until the light stays solid. This will get the generator ready to start. Then press and hold the start button. The light will flash as it attempts to start. It will stay solid once the generator is running. The oil level should be checked daily or after 8 hours of runtime. The generator is due for its first oil change at 20 hours. Sometimes this happens in the first week of operation. After the first service, the oil change is then due every 150 hours. Without proper maintenance, the generator's lifespan and reliability will be greatly reduced. Every 500 hours, the generator is due for a major service, including spark plugs and fuel filter. This chart shows the part numbers for common maintenance items that will be needed. The generator carries a 2-year warranty. Take note that in the first 90 days after delivery, Cummins will make adjustments for free. This service can be very valuable to the reliability of your generator. If possible, set up this service during your first generator oil change. Let's talk about troubleshooting problems. The information here is from the Cummins manual. To retrieve fault codes, press the stop button 3 times within 5 seconds. The light on the switch will begin flashing the first level of codes. If the light flashes 3 times, for code 3, that means there is a second level code. The second level code will be a 2-digit number, indicated by a number of flashes, a short pause, then another series of flashes. Press the stop button 1 time to start the second level code, such as flash, pause, flash, 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 long pause. This would indicate code 14. If you press the stop button 1 more time, it will stop the codes. Here is what it looks like. Press the stop button 3 times to start the codes. This is code 3, meaning there is a second level code. Press stop 1 more time to display the second level. This is code 14. We can look it up in the manual in just a minute. If we press stop one more time, the light will stop flashing. In the manual, we can look up code 14. It says the governor was unable to control the speed. The manual suggests seeking professional service. Other codes, like code 13, indicate that the generator cannot maintain voltage. There is a user correction available. In this case, it's to reduce the loads by turning off some electrical components. We hope you found this module helpful. If you require further support, reach out to us at tescosv.com. Email us at tsvsupport@tescobus.com or call us at 855-376-9797.